ॐ शङ्खं चक्रं जलौकां दधदमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिहृद्यां शुक परिविलसन्मौळिमम्भोजनेत्रम् कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यम् वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगदवनप्रौढदावाग्निम्।
Honorable Chairperson and my dear friends, myself, Dr. Sunny Patel, Postgraduate Scholar, Department of Basic Principles, IPGT and RA, Ramnagar, going to present a review work entitled An Applied Study on Prakriti and its Influence on Profession. Starting with the introduction, Prakriti, which is a sum total of structural, functional and behavioral aspects of an individual, have two determinants. First one is Garbhasharir Prakriti, which develops during the conception, and second one is Zatuttar Prakriti, which develops after the birth. Garbhasharir Prakriti is unchangeable, but the Zatuttar Prakriti can be variable. In this, Zatuttar Prakriti comprises of persons, Jati, Kula, Desh, Kal, Vai and Pratyatmaniyata. Profession is one's regular work. It was hypothetically considered that profession is individual's Jati, which is one of the most influencing factor for Prakriti. Here the aim was to study which Prakriti persons are more appropriate for a particular profession. Aims and objectives of this study: first, to explore the scope of the applied aspect of Prakriti, to draw some conclusions about the relation of Prakriti and profession, and third one is to give some guidelines in the choice of profession. Materials and methods for this study: materials and methods were the Prakriti Parikshan and survey of professional performance. For Prakriti Parikshan, the research pro forma for analysis was consisted of physical, physiological and psychological features with reference to the three Prakritis. Assessment of Prakriti was done based on following criteria. एक दोषा प्रधान Prakriti persons have more than 50% of one dosha lakshanas, whereas one dosh Prakriti persons have close to or equal percentage of two dosha lakshanas, while Sama Prakriti persons have close to or equal percentage of all the three doshas. Survey of profession. For this, a special research program have been prepared. As per one's approach and status of their progress in their profession and answers obtained by the persons, given score. The score had been calculated and categorized as under. Score 41 to 60 denotes very good performance. These categories indicate the suitability and successfulness of a person, while score 31 to 40 denotes good performance. This score indicates that the person is working well but adjusting with the job and his nature. Whereas score up to 30 denotes average performance. These sports persons always want to quit the job, means having failure with this job. Observation: total 1008 types of professions had been surveyed for this study, but here data of only 4 professions, that is 484 persons will be presented. Out of these, 81 persons were teachers, 131 were physicians, 188 were clerical job persons, 84 were businessmen. The relation between profession and Prakriti was found as shown on the slide. In this, maximum, that is 41.97% in the teachers group were of Kapha-Vata Prakriti, while maximum, that is 46.27% in the clerical job persons were of Vata-Pitta Prakriti. Scoring of professional performance. For this, several questions were asked to the persons. Some of these questions are as follows: how did you join the present job? How do you manage the obstacles? How is your working pattern? Are you punctual? Are you dedicated to your work? Do you feel yourself suitable for this job? Like these questions were asked. Scoring and the results. In teachers group, scoring was found as follows. In the teachers group, 64.71, that is maximum persons having very good performance in their profession belongs to Kapha-Vata Prakriti, whereas maximum persons having average performance belongs to Vata-Pitta Prakriti. In the physicians group, maximum persons having very good performance belongs to again Kapha-Vata Prakriti, whereas maximum persons having average performance belongs to Vata-Pitta Prakriti. And in the clerical group, maximum persons having very good performance belongs to Pitta Kapha Prakriti, whereas maximum persons having average performance belongs to Vata Pitta Prakriti. In the businessman group, maximum persons having very good performance belongs to Kapha Vata Prakriti, while maximum persons having average performance belongs to Pitta Prakriti. Statistical analysis of this vast data is as per shown on the slide. Discussion. Prakriti is that which constitutes, distinguishes and characterizes the person from others of his kind in respect of his physical, physiological and psychological makeup and reactions to his environment or surroundings. There are two types of determinants of Prakriti, that is Garbhachari Prakriti that develops during the conception and Jatottar Prakriti that develops after the birth. Garbhachari Prakriti is unchangeable, but the Jatottar Prakriti can be variable. The Jati Prasakta Prakriti is related to individual's Jati, which plays an important role in molding the personality of a person. In this study, the Jati Prasakta Prakriti is considered as individual's profession. It is an accepted fact that the individual's profession influences the Prakriti and vice versa. Each person has his own particular characters according to the type of Prakriti, which influences the individual's activities and professional performance. Results: Prakriti influences the professional life of an individual. In this study, it was observed that wherever the association of Kapha was seen more, it has shown the better results. While wherever the association of dominance of Vata was seen, the chances of failure rate were much higher. Conclusions: a positive correlation had been found between the psychosomatic build-up, that is Prakriti of an individual, with his profession. Professions like teaching, medical, which have involved more individual activities, are suitable for Kapha Vata Prakriti persons, whereas Vata Pitta Prakriti persons are more suitable for the professions like clerical work. Finally, it can be concluded that there is great scope for utilizing the concept of Prakriti while planning the career or profession of an individual. Thank you.